Hey everyone! Welcome back to Lead, Learn, Travel, and Explore, where we don't just learn English, we live it. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. Today we're diving into daily routines, but with a twist. We'll sprinkle in some advanced phrases and real-time English expressions that you can use right away.
Right. Whether you're talking to a colleague, a friend, or journaling your day, these expressions will make your English sound way more natural. Let's dive into morning routine.
All right, so I typically get up around 6:30 a.m. Though I'll be honest, I often hit the snooze button once or twice.
Relatable. Hitting the snooze button is something we all do. For me, mornings are all about routine. I start by freshening up, then I brew a cup of coffee. It's my little ritual.
Same here. And instead of a heavy breakfast, I usually grab something on the go. A banana, maybe a protein bar. On weekends, though, I go all out. Eggs, toast, avocado, the works.
Nice. And here's a great phrase for listeners. Go all out means to make a big effort or do something to the fullest. Love that one. Now let's just move to work routine. Once I'm caffeinated, I dive into work. I work from home, so I clock in around 9 a.m. Most mornings are filled with back-to-back meetings and replying to emails.
I hear you. I usually head out the door by 8:30 to catch the bus. During the commute, I either tune into a podcast or read the news on my phone. Keeps me up.
Great expression. Tune into means to listen attentively or engage with something, like a show or podcast.
Exactly. Then it's a pretty standard 9 to 5 grind. Meetings, brainstorming sessions, project updates. By lunchtime, I'm ready for a break.
Do you eat out or bring lunch?
It's a mix. Sometimes I bring a homemade salad or leftovers, but if I'm pressed for time, I'll just grab a quick bite from the food court downstairs.
Let's dive to the evening routine. Evenings are my time to unwind. I like to stretch my legs with a walk or do a light workout. It helps me switch off from work mode.
Totally. I usually relax by watching a show. I just started a new series on Netflix. Oh, and I love cooking. It's therapeutic. Last night, I tried a new Thai curry recipe. It turned out surprisingly well.
Wow, nice. That's something I want to get better at. Cooking. For me, dinner's usually quick and easy. And before bed, I like to jot down a few thoughts in my journal. Just a short recap of my day. In English.
That's a great habit. Even something like, today was hectic but productive. I wrapped up a big task and managed to squeeze in a workout. It helps you practice writing naturally.
Here's our tip for today. Try shadowing. That means listening to a native speaker and repeating right after them, mimicking their pronunciation and rhythm. And don't be afraid to talk to yourself in English. Use phrases like, I've got a lot on my plate today. Let's get the ball rolling. I'm running behind schedule. These sound super natural and are used every day.
So, if you're looking to sound more fluent, start by using English in your real life. Narrate your day, think in English, and use these phrases we shared. Thanks for listening to Lead, Learn, Travel, and Explore. Subscribe, share, and practice with us again next time.